Taurus. This is your channel messages for the 17th of May. Taurus, I saw an issue and we need to talk about it, Taurus. No, I just want to remind the public that crocodiles and alligators are not the same thing. Crocodiles are more aggressive. Nevertheless, we need to talk about the fact that Adon Ross, my Jew, what's up, blood? Okay, so Adon Ross, right? So Adon Ross made a comment about Doshi. Wasn't Doshi the one who posed with was it a crocodile or alligator? My anxiety. So Adon Ross claimed that Doshi was to 9-to-5 workers, okay? Which is really, really weird because Mother Community Center, which is full of Jewish people like Adon Ross, who took a picture of me with a fucking broom trying to pretend that I was soliciting sex. They said I was a bitch too, and that's fucking crazy. No, Adon Ross, I know you're Jewish and you're a white boy. You might be offended because I call it that, but you are. You may not know the struggles of black females. And I want to know, Adon Ross, why you have so much aggression for her? Look how much other people you could have pick on. Look how much other people you could have said was a bitch or was a asshole. You know, like Lil Uzi, that's been fucking how much women. Why you never check him? Why you have so much aggression for your girl? This is crazy. On top of that, maybe don't she have an attitude because she been trafficked by 9-to-5 workers? You know, like the Wendy's advertisement, hey, got your nigger, want him back. Yeah, that's a 9-to-5 worker. You know, like Walmart, when the Walmart workers know that the type of shoes where you buy, it actually equivalates to trafficking somebody who's buying the shoes. Yeah, so forgive the black girl attitude. Because maybe there was shit going on behind the scenes that your Jewish ass don't fucking know about, Adon Ross. So maybe that's why she had the attitude. Maybe that's why she was a bitch to so-called fast food workers. Maybe that's why she was such a bitch to 9-to-5 workers, because usually it's a 9-to-5 motherfuckers who traffic you. So just be mindful before you come for a black female, especially a black female. I don't know why you have so much anger towards Doshi. What the fuck she did to you? Thank you very much. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, right, the Hierophant. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I had to say something about her. Doshi was in her room recording a song, My Anxiety. She didn't know if she had anxiety or schizophrenia. She was getting trafficked and having all type of motherfuckers watching her. Doshi had a nigga put a gun at her head and she's telling this nigga, I trust you. No, the fuck she didn't. She probably was like, listen, is it a music or this? And I'm choosing music. She thought she had anxiety. And sweetie, the government was watching you and trafficking you. That's where your anxiety came from. So Adon Ross, please do not come for any type of black females that you, especially you don't know. Why don't you check your friend them? Why you not go check all of your friend them who are this you? Why you not check your friend them who are this other women? Why you have so much hate for Doshi? And what should do you? It's giving you are a puppet and you were told to say shit about her. That's what it's giving. Because ain't no fucking way you as a Jewish guy on kick have so much animosity toward. Look how much people treat people like look how much people you had on your show who treat people like shit. And it wasn't the fast food workers. I mean, I don't know if you know this, when you're getting famous, you're going to start go through hazing. When you're getting famous, you're going to start go through bullying. When you go to the grocery store, 9-to-5 workers. When you go fast food place, 9-to-5 workers. You see, because you're Jewish and you're born around Jewish people, you probably don't know nothing about oppression, especially by other Jewish people. Though she's a black female, she gets oppressed by white Jewish people like you, white men, especially because she's slim, black men, and of course, black women. So she even have her own kind coming at her throat. So, struggle may not be something you know about, Adon Ross, since you're Jewish, worse, you're white. Some are just saying, be mindful. You don't know what the fuck a person will go through or what has been happening to them. She have an attitude. She black. Was these fast food workers white? Was these fast food workers Jewish? No? Okay, so why are you so concerned about black people and black girl attitude affairs? It's giving clown and it's giving ventriloquist. And I love Adon Ross, but I would never take Adon Ross' side over a black female. Doshi, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Taurus, the Hierophant. It's her anxiety. That's why don't she have fucking anxiety? You know, these Jews are fucking coming at her for fucking what? What she do? Whose Jewish dick she never suck? Let's go. I didn't go into your reading. We have the Five of Swords. Now, the Five of Swords is usually spite. It's winning at all costs. Like, haha, I win. Or maybe getting, for some reason, you want to spite something. Maybe she was invited to a Jewish-owned place and she said no. I'm getting one trying to fuck up our shit. We have the King of Swords. Yeah, we're getting something about a Gemini. Something about did a Gemini say this about you? Maybe a Gemini. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. We're getting a Gemini said this about you. It could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, she's such a bitch. Okay, why you not gonna deal with white girl? That's fucking 100 men in one night. Why you don't? Me never hear you say the white girl in Britain who was fucking 100 men in one night. Me never hear you say she was a bitch. No shit. Because she's mean to fast food workers. Man, shut the fuck up. Is it because in anxiety she says something, no homo? Is it because she don't support Batman? Is that why you're upset with her? Because she don't support nothing homogesic? No. What are your adjectives? Adjectives? No, I'm sorry. What are your pronouns? Is it because of that? We have the Six of Cups. We have the King of Pentacles. And we also have the Death card, Scorpio. Yeah, you want... Listen, that nigga already had a gun to her head asking, do you trust me? Do you trust me? I trust you. That bitch almost got her life took by another nigga. I know you as a Jewish man want to tear her down. Why? What she do you? The Death card, Scorpio. What she do you? Because she not come on a stream. Yeah, because she not a streaming bitch. She have real talent. You see, she produced her own shit from her room, but she has struggled in her. Tell me, Aidan Ross, when did you ever struggle? When did you ever get trafficked by Walmart? When did Wendy's ever traffic you, Aidan Ross? Because I've been trafficked by Jews already. So you have a way too much hate and animosity for a black woman who you don't know. The Death card. You're getting her mad because she's making money without a Jewish contract. This is crazy. I mean, I don't know who did want her for compound. It's not Scissor. She's not Scissor. You want one puppet like Scissor, and that you want. Why you never say nothing about Scissor dirty room? Why you never comment about the dirty room Scissor had? No, you want to attack Doshi. Doshi, she just step in Hollywood. What she do? Who she not fucking? Sir, you have money, not real opinions. You're Jewish. You need to know that. You ain't Brandon. You ain't fucking Brandon that worked at Liquidation Miami who drive the Porsche. You ain't fucking Brandon. Let's go ahead and continue the reading. So me getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I don't know if you were supposed to meet this man or you demand money from the man if you're gonna meet him or show your face. And the man call you a bitch. Because to fast food workers. To fast food workers. You mean the same people who want to fuck up your order because you make it out of the ghetto. And you don't pregnant yet. Okay, great. Five of Swords is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting you young. Though she about 26, 27. Isn't she and Aidan Ross almost the same age? You fucking Canadian Tire. Puppet. Yeah, 24. Though she at 26. So what she do you? King of Swords clarified by the Knight of Wands. I'm getting something about a record deal. Something about the asked her to come perform somewhere or be a part of a stream. And she said, no, we have Scorpio again. Yeah, take away her little life. The girl been fucking trafficked. Oh, but you're concerned that she's a bitch. Why you never concerned about the blood clot man or traffic her? She could have ended up 3 ways. She could have ended up on the street as a drug addict because God knows she had that nigga having a gun at her head, right? So she wasn't far from taking any type of fucking OPIs. Them could have killed her and organ harvest her. She could have turned a fucking prostitute. But she decided to write a song about her anxiety. Don't she? You didn't have any fucking anxiety, bitch. You were being trafficked and your shit was hot. That's where your fucking anxiety came from. The Six of Cups is clarified by the Four of Pentacles. Me getting she's a black woman and she don't mix up with a lot of people. You don't have friends. Yeah, good. They must sacrifice out your blood clot. Why you never check little Uzi? Cause little Uzi clean up and you hug him and all of these. Why you never check it when he was fucking on how much girls? Why you not check little Uzi when he might wear one blood clot skirt? Yeah, come for Doshi. She just came in the industry. What she could have do so? For you as a Jewish big streamer, what own half a kick? Want to kick her out of the industry. What she do? The King of Pentacles is clarified by this. Yeah, her anxiety. Look on the star. Ace of Cups. I like her. Who out of your crew or which man did like her? And she said no. Cause no man never did help her when she achieved her dreams. No man did never believe in her when she was in her room, sitting down in her little room, and right anxiety. Now she bust her nip on YouTube and everything. Now you have something to say about her. And really, was that the best you could do? If you could tear down another star, was that the best you could do? She had an attitude to fast food workers. Swedish, she black. She have an attitude to the man she fucking. I don't know if you know this because he's a Jewish white man. Anyways, the star card. So I'm getting, just because you said something about her, that don't mean shit to her career. And let's see what the death card says. The 7 of, yeah. But literally, you want to take her out of the industry before she even starts. The death card. But believe me, that nigga pulling that trigger at her head didn't kill her. So you're a Jewish mouth not gonna kill her either. Can you see the death card? But then something block it. Why you never say nothing about Tyler? Me said Tyler gave Halle her award, Grammys to hold, and the Grammy kicked her out of Hollywood. Tyler has never produced anything worthy of radio station since. You don't notice? She had one shot coming from South Africa, and she gave another person her Grammy for hold because it's too heavy. She blacklisted already. Okay. Let's get some of these and we'll leave it here. That's crazy. We have Libra. So I'm getting something about a Libra. I don't know who's a Libra. Let's look. Aidan Ross, you're a Libra. That's it, you. Aidan Ross. That's Libra. So be mindful. Yeah, judge somebody. You don't know what happened to her behind closed doors. You don't know how much fast food workers or people around her was hiding the secret. You don't know how much bullying she got through or hazing she got through. Leave her the fuck alone. You want white Jewish boy. You don't know nothing about blood clot black woman struggle. And you don't know nothing about blood clot black people struggle. Because on top of having Jewish motherfuckers like you who want bully her, she have to deal with her own kind. Libra. She have an attitude. She black. The girl who fuck 100 man in Britain, she never have an attitude. Okay, great. The soul was soul. She not sell out. She not pushing a lesbian agenda. She don't support Batty man. Like the jokes them or you and your friend them pan kick love play. Fuck man. Secret society. Doshi, thank you for posing with what? Did you pose with an alligator or a crocodile? All we know is one of them is more aggressive. We have shark. I need to change that to crocodile. Man full up of crocodile teeth. Everything get fucked when I reach. Everything get fucked when I reach. One more. And we have Wednesday. I'm going to leave it here, Taurus. Until next time. Bye.